Now we have a pretty good pantry size. You can see in here, we've got these wire frames in here and there's a lot of space in there, but I don't like keeping these smaller items in there. That's why we got this spice rack over here. You can see that we've got some of our smaller things on here, like our spices. We've got some canned goods. We also have some box stuff down there as well. Now the way that we set this up is going to be, it's hooked over this door, and this is great if you don't want to drill anything in. So this is going to sit right over your door, and it's going to have these rubber pieces that kind of just spin and push up against the door. And it's also going to come with these plastic pieces that you can also connect behind here that are going to attach to the door. And this really just helps when you swing the door open so that this doesn't, you know, bang up against it. But honestly, if you've got enough stuff in here, you don't even need to utilize these. But if you wanted to, you could also mount this on a wall. So it's going to come with these drywall screws, and it's going to come with these mounts. So if you wanted to hook these up on a flat wall, or if you wanted to just drill it here into your actual door, you can either do it with those, or you could just drill in up here at the top. Now it's going to be very customizable, so regardless of what size stuff you're trying to put in here, you can kind of change this around to your liking. So if you look down here at the bottom, you can see we've got some larger, taller stuff right here. It also will come with a couple of these safety racks as well. And this is nice because things aren't going to tip or fall over when you open the door too quickly. And these are really easily to adjust. You just pop them off like that, and then you slide them into the pins where you want them to be. So if you just need a small one, then you can do that. If you want a little bit more space, then you can pull it down one, pop it in, and then there you go. This is going to be made out of metal, so it is very heavy duty. It's not going to be like one of those cheap plastic ones, because a lot of the ones I've seen on Amazon are pretty cheapy and plastic. So I like the fact that this is a nice matte black metal. It honestly just looks good and it just feels premium. Putting it together was pretty easy. You can see over here on the side, there's just going to be a couple of Allen screws that you tighten in, and then there'll be a screw over on the other side, and this is how it connects these frame pieces on the front. It probably took me only about 10 minutes to fully set it up and mount it up here at the top, and it works great again for things like seasonings, spices. If you have smaller stuff like this, it's good to just have everything organized, because of course everybody runs out of space in their pantry, so having something like this is very nice for these types of items. So I'm really glad that we added this here to our pantry. Plus it also stays out of the way. You don't really see it when the doors close. You're only going to have that piece up there at the top, and that's pretty much it. So if you're looking for a spice rack or a spice rack for your cabinet, then I would definitely recommend getting one of these. They work great on doors and on flat walls.